Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on XIAOMI 13T Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in Firefox and click search. And now click install. Now click open, and now you can make your Firefox browser your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now. Now you can turn on notifications from your browser, or you can click not now. And now your Firefox browser is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.